to Spittal campsite in Kendal. It's only half an hour away, but we'll just get away. We're with the Roch Valley DA, and we've not been in the van for a few weeks because I've been to Turkey with Zoe. But anyway, there we go. We're back now, and back with the weather. It's not very good, but it's not raining yet. But anyway, catch you later. So this is Spittal caravan site. That's the caravan site, and this is the rally. How lovely are these clematis? Beautiful. So this is where we're starting, and it's Stramongate Weir on the River Kent in Kendal. Right, so we're just setting off on our stroll around the river, ending up in Kendal town centre. Starting work on Monday.
Flood defences.
Anyway, so there we go. This is one of the bridges. There is a 10-bridge walk. I don't think you cross them all. There's another little view from where we were before. You get to see right up through. There's another bridge under that bridge.
Yeah.
Sun's coming out. About time. So that's us. Off we go on our little walk. Our little... Oh God, look at me hair.
Do we have to?
No, not really. So that's us off now. It started sunning. It's come out sunny. So we've had a lunch, we've had a game of Scrabble, and we're off for a walk.
I lost.
Wayne lost. No surprise there then. Anyway.
Well, actually I won because I only lost by 5, so that's a win for me.
Okay, cock. Took that long. I said next time I'm going to put an egg timer on it. Because I mean 10 minutes per word.
Eggs.
10 minutes per word is just far too long. But anyway, off we pop. So that's the former ticket office over there. Let me just see. And here is Kendal Snow Sports Club. And they do all this sort of stuff on here. So there's another view from the, what's it called?
Snowboarding club.
Snowboarding club. Snow Sports Club, I think it was.
Snow Sports Club.
Yeah. And these are well thought out, aren't they? Big rocks made into benches. We haven't brought a drink. Are they comfy? Not bad. Not bad at all. For a minute.
Yeah, I need to sit down when you get to our age.
You're over our age.
My age.
You're not that bloody old when you're going around golf course, are you?
Oh, I'm not going uphill like this.
You're not whacking a big stick, are you, here? There. And there's the first view of Kendal Castle. The last baron to live at Kendal Castle died in 1483. The Parr family soon abandoned the lavish manor house, and 90 years later it was described as a ruin. So this is Castle Hill. Castle Hill has a spectacular 360-degree view over Kendal to the Lakeland Fells on the horizon over there. Kendal Fell was originally known as Dob Freer, free land, and used for grazing. The lower slopes were used as tender grounds. Most of the distant fells that you can see are included in the famous Wainwright guides of the eastern and far eastern fells. Kendal Castle as it might have appeared around 1400. The earthworks of the first castle in Kendal can still be seen on Castle How to the west side of the town. Accommodation in the wooden Moat and Bailey Castle, which occupied that restricted site, must have been very cramped, and this may have been why it was abandoned in favour of the present site. The present castle was built by an early Baron of Kendal, possibly Gilbert Fitz Rainford, the Sheriff of Lancaster, between 1205 and 1215, or William, his son Gilbert, joined the rebellious barons, and following William's capture at the siege of Roch in 1211, his castle was forfeited to the crown. It was restored to William in 1241 and eventually passed by marriage to the Parrs in 1383, becoming their ancestral home. The best known member of the family was Queen Catherine, 1513 to 1548, the last wife of King Henry VIII. A survey of Kendal Castle, carried out in 1572 when it was already in ruins, showed that it was more a fortified residence than a military strongpoint.
Mummy, can we go over to that one? Can I go over to that one?
Is that not a fireplace?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
That goes straight out. Kitchen.
Oh, could be kitchen. Yeah.
Scullery.
Storeroom. Food. And then living upstairs. Well, this could have been living quarters for staff, couldn't it? They think it's a storeroom.
Oh, it's too dark, I can't see. I'm coming out. Don't like it. And these are some of the views from one side of the castle. Gorgeous. Another view of Kendal from another side of the castle ruins. Upstairs, downstairs. Can I find the hidden staircase and passage built in the walls of the hall and garderobe, the toilet tower, so the servants could move around the castle quietly without disturbing the Baron or his guests? Well, we'll go and have a look in a minute. So we think that's the staircase on the edge. There we go. You say, although this grass, which was the courtyard, may well have been cobbled, it was probably just earth and very, very muddy when it rained. Right, that's Kendal Castle done, I guess.
Back on my wall.
So that's the tower with the one of the garderobes. You can see it where it comes out of the side and falls onto the floor. Oh yeah, Wayne's got a picture. So the thoughts were in olden times of these garderobes that they used to hang the clothes above, and the smell of the ammonia that used to rise killed all the bugs from the clothes, apparently. And this is where the moat was, all down there. Can you come in? You got the wrong ones. Fell down a bloody rabbit hole. God. And there's enough of them. I saw them all up way up. And I forgot. Yeah, so that's Kendal Castle done. And it was quite interesting. Enjoyed it more than I thought I would, because I read a couple of reviews and they weren't great. But I think, to be fair, it was better than they said. But it's a nice day now, so that helps.
And tomorrow's supposed to be, well, tomorrow morning's supposed to be okay as well.
So do we tootle off into Kendal now and find somewhere to sit down with refreshments?
Drink.
Might find a little cider
Yes.
or something. I'm not having too many though, because
No, I don't want to carry you back.
no, it makes my bladder work too hard.
Right. Too much information there, I think.
Anyway, I don't know what's happening with my hair. But there we are. It's glorious now. If you look that way, it's all blue skies. It's lovely. It's very warm. Very, very warm. Mind you, it's July. Should be.
Warm.
1st of July, like, but it's still July. Oh gosh, this is hard. It's right slopey. Anyway, there we go. We're off.
To the middle of summer.
Aye. I wonder if we can get down that way.
Yeah, I think that's where we came.
Is it?
I think. Yeah.
25 seconds, we got all the marshals, everybody ready? Let's have a nice clean start, guys, clean, respectful start.
Oh, he went right off the track.
Great battle, all routes still together. Passing on the back line for the looks of it. So, you're in your last minute mark, I reckon 2 more laps.
Oh,
See how they are when they come round.
oh God, that one was flying. This pink and green one, yellow, that one.
Yeah.
Oh. I bet they're expensive. This one's a fast. Look, it's gone off track. Do they get penalty points for that?
I don't know. Oh.
Oh, he's just cut a corner. Called pigeons. It's a bit like Trafalgar Square, isn't it? This is the new Shambles. Kitten and the Goat knitting shop. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, smells nice.
Thank you.
Oh, there, the famous 1657 chocolate house. What a shame it's closed. Shuts at 4. Now Christmas shop. Now it's closed. But apparently there's 177 days till Christmas, according to their board. To help the channel, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.